As most people have seen, we have launched a partnership between Movitz and Tietoevry. So, Magnus, can you share some lights on our upcoming partnership?
Yeah, so we're launching a partnership around confirmation of payee, verification of payee, and all of the things that the bank needs to take care of in the coming years. We want to make sure that we have a channel-agnostic, infrastructure-agnostic solution catering for outgoing and incoming confirmation of payee requests and responses, alongside the name account matching with all of the rules that implies.
Can you explain a bit, why is all this important for the banks?
Yeah, so first of all, this is now a regulation, meaning that the banks need to prioritize this. Second of all, this puts the customer experience in focus, putting the customer, the end client of the bank, in control of the payment initiation with the confirmation of payee, making sure that they know that they're paying the right person or the right company. This combats fraud and misdirected payments, and that's really important both for the bank and for the end user.
End of 2024, Sweden will introduce a new account-to-account payment, the recipients, that does not have currently and looks like will not have a confirmation of payee or an alias structure service. What would that theoretically mean for the introduction of the recipients?
Yeah, this is a huge concern for me, because with real-time payments come real-time fraud. And that's something that people say sometimes, but it can actually be true. If I would be a fraudster, I would move to recipients from Swish from day one. And I think it's the right timing for the banks to introduce a confirmation of payee schema and confirmation of payee service on top of the recipients payment initiation. And that's something we would like to help with and something we would like to bring to the market.
Can you talk a bit, Magnus, about how Tietoevry and Movitz are complementing each other in the way we're going to address the market?
Tietoevry brings the things that Movitz don't have in the value proposition today, which is the capability to respond to requests to match the name and the account number. So Movitz has the outgoing payments, the payment initiation, the validation of the account, and the capability to call several market infrastructures with the confirmation of payee request, verification of payee request, as well as the Swift pre-validation service. Those two services together brings a full solution to a bank that makes them compliant with instant payment regulation and also future-proof for other services.